In this guide, I'll show you how to enable sensitive content on Telegram. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more guides. You can follow these steps on both a computer and a phone. If you're using a computer, you can do this directly through the Telegram app. However, on a phone, this option is not available inside the app, so you'll need to use a web browser instead. First, close the Telegram app and open your browser. If you're using an iPhone, you can use Safari, and on Android, you can use Chrome or any other browser. Now, tap on the address bar and go to web.telegram.org. Wait for the page to load, then sign into your Telegram account. After signing in, Telegram will send a verification code to your Telegram app. Open the app, copy the code, and enter it on the website. Once you're logged in, tap the 3 lines in the top left corner. On a computer, open the Telegram app and click the same menu icon. From the menu, select Settings, then go to Privacy and Security. Scroll down until you find the Sensitive Content section. Here, you will see an option called Disable Filtering. Turn this option on, and Telegram will allow sensitive content to appear by removing the content filter. After changing this setting, it's a good idea to restart the Telegram app so the changes can take effect. On your phone, open the app switcher, close Telegram, and then open it again. That's it. Sensitive content is now enabled on your Telegram account. If this guide helped you, don't forget to leave a like.